What are you doing? Come tell me 1, 2, 3. Can you count for me? Can you count? I can't hear you. You count?
He just was.
Oh,
did it fix it?
Did it fix it? Okay. There you go.
There it is. This one. This one.
Oh, is that better now? You gotta have your costume perfect. Okay, go play. Go count for me. Go count. Or do Itsy Bitsy Spider, or no, you gonna sit down? Go count.
Where are the geckos?
Go find a gecko.
Wow, yeah.
Those are bugs. Go find a gecko.
I'm surprised I haven't seen one.
There was. Go see if you can find a gecko. I hear one.
Puppy? Aren't you glad you came out now?
Do you see any geckos over there? Do you see any geckos?
The eyes make that noise.
Go see if you can find a gecko over there.
Bouncy, bouncy.
You gonna reach? Catch him. Catch him. Yeah, catch him.
Yeah, squish the bugs.
Can you catch the bugs? Oh, all right.
We don't have those worms over here.
Another bug? Get it.
Squish it.
Get it. All right. Go find a gecko. Is there a gecko over there by the closet?
Here comes some kids. Dave. Dave. Here.
All right.
Come here. Dave, come here.
Good. Are you gonna give her Halloween candy?
Here. Get him.
Go get him. Oh, he got it. You're welcome. Say happy Halloween.
Here. Here you go, kiddo. Give it to her. Happy Halloween. You're welcome. Happy Halloween.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye. Good boy.
Thank you.
You did that all okay?
I did.
Yeah. Get him. It's a worm.
Get him. Yeah, get him. We don't like the worms. Get him.
Squish.
He would let it crawl underneath his foot. Yarr.
Squish. I guess if it's between this and mosquitoes, I'd rather have these.
Yeah.
Remember where you go, those bugs. Get them. Look, they're coming after you. Look.
Can you find me a gecko? Is there a gecko in the closet? Is there a gecko in our storage closet?
They just appeared.